everybody, welcome back to my channel, Chrissy's Point of View. I am Chrissy and today we are going to talk about a subject that I have been ducking for a while now. We are going to discuss journaling, right? And how important journaling is for your achieving your goals and dreams, going towards your goals and dreams, how important that is for you. Now, people, a lot of us may say, why do I have to journal? I don't have time for journaling. But if you watch and observe and research what successful people do, they are very active, as in they exercise, they meditate, and they write or they journal, right? That is one of the top 3 things that they do. Oh, and I forgot, they also read a lot of books, right? So journaling helps you be more intellectual. It helps you think more clearer, something to do psychologically. It helps with the brain, people. I know what I'm saying. When I didn't used to journal, I will find myself forgetting more. Now that I'm journaling, I'm remembering a lot more. So people, if successful people have been doing this for how many years and they have been successful, what does that tell you? That tells you that it helps you to think more critical, right? And it works for you. It basically exercises the brain like the wheel of the brain. Helps your brain work more efficiently. It also helps you emotionally, right? Like help you be emotionally stronger. Because remember, this getting wild or going after your goals will not happen overnight. It will not happen overnight. So you keep writing, and for me personally, when I write a journal, right? So my journal, basically for my goals, every time I write, I add something. So a journal that had started off to be 1 page is now 6 pages, going on to 7 pages for one journal, right? Can you believe that? Because I now write in so much detail. And other than my vision board, like writing, I feel like I take writing to a whole new level, because when I write, I tend to meditate and see things and feel things in much more detail as I'm writing. So I'm writing, and when I meditate now, I meditate what I have written. So in my meditations, I now add things that I have written in my journal. You understand how this thing works? So journaling and meditation and going after your goals and all this vision board all tie in together, right? They tie in together. Let me just say, you don't have to be the best writer, because at the end of the day, it's only you reading your journal. It's not a contest, right? It's only you, it's your goals, it's your dreams, right? It's only you reading your journal. So you don't have to be Miss Perfect or Mr. Perfect writing this journal. People, writing this journal is like you're forecasting, you're creating it for yourself. You're creating what it is you want for the future for yourself. And my people, I also recommend, do not type out a journal. Do not sketch it on your phone, because something to do with writing and put a pen and paper or a paper and pencil helps you intellectually. Like some psychological thing happens when it is you write your thoughts, you write your feelings, you write what it is you would like in the future on a paper. It doesn't be the same when it is you're typing out. For some reason, it does not be the same. It's totally different. You feel connected because you're writing out all your feelings, everything you want. your cravings, you're writing down everything that's going on with you in the brain, you're writing it on paper. So another benefit of writing a journal every day, it helps discipline you, it helps discipline the mind, and it also helps when it comes to what you call it. You exercise physically, well, you exercise the mind too when it is you write. Although when it is you're reading, you're exercising the mind because you're taking in information, but writing exercises the mind in the other direction, if you understand what I'm saying. It's sounding kind of funny, but anyway, I would just like you to try it for at least 30 days, and if it doesn't work, then you can throw away the notebook. And it don't have to be no fancy diary. It could just be a normal notebook, and just start writing, people. Start writing what you want in life. I thank you very much for staying till the end of this video. I have a gift for you. Thank you for staying. Click the link underneath. If you have not subscribed to my channel just yet, click that subscribe button. I have been looking at your comments over the period, and I do get back to you. I will get back to you. Tell me what you think about journaling. Tell me if you have been journaling, right? I will love to hear your views and what you think about journaling. See you next time on Chrissy's Point of View.